Check out this red retro style microwave from COMFEE that was sent to me. Kind of got a cool old handle look to it. You're going to get a small turntable in here, which you can take out, and as well take out the little turntable spot if you need to clean it. As far as like the functions on it, these are pretty standard, but you do have a couple of things I want to point out. If I just click start here, it's automatically 30 seconds, and then I can push stop. If I turn this, you're going to get A1, and you're going to go, I think, all the way to none. If you look up inside here, you're going to see what those are for: popcorn, beverages, etc., etc. And then, so like, let's say I did beverages. I could then press start and then decide how long I want it down there. I can also choose power level. There's a bunch of different power levels, and I can adjust those either way here. A couple other things. I can lock a child out from using this. If I hold this stop button down for 3 seconds, it's now locked out. Now, your kids can only open it. They can't do anything else. Obviously, turn that back on, or off, I should say. We go back to there, which is really cool. You can also turn that sound off if you don't want to hear the sounds. Turn it off, and now these aren't making any noise, so that's totally up to you. All right, so we're going to put a little mug of water in it. So water is, our beverage is 2, so we're going to leave it on 2 and push start. And it should, here within a minute, I should have some really, really hot water. Final few seconds here, 1 minute with a cup of water. All right, let's test it. Ooh, the cup is hot. You can't see the steam coming off of that, but it is boiling hot now. 1 minute is all it took to take cold water and heat that up. So yeah, really cool microwave, great. It's not a huge one, but big enough for what most people are doing in a microwave. And I just dig the style that COMFEE comes with.